Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1 and this is your news of the day. The World Health Organization said that the new coronavirus variant is likely to spread internationally and pose a very high risk of infection surge that could have severe consequences in some places. Also, Dr. Fauci has hinted around and put on the table that no jab, no domestic air travel. He's also said that a lockdown in the United States could be possible. Webster's Dictionary, their word of the year for 2020 was pandemic. Their word of the year for 2021, give you one guess, some of you will probably get it, vaccine. Also, Toyota put out that their global output shrank in October. It was 26% down from last October, year to year. They cited supply problems and trying to get parts to build vehicles. Spain is having the same problem we are having. They are having inflation at a 29-year high. Year to year, it was 5.5% increase in prices. Uganda International Airport, and this is the only international airport in Uganda, has come under the control of the Chinese. Uganda could not pay on the loan, they defaulted, and China took possession of the airport. Also, Russia has come out and said they're in full production of the Zircon hypersonic missile. This is a missile that can travel over 6,000 miles an hour. It can carry a conventional warhead or a nuclear warhead, and there's no known defense against these missiles because of their speed. Also, China is modernizing their army, and they said they were going to take 300,000 support personnel and eliminate their jobs and convert them into combat-related jobs. Also today, Belarus and Russia are doing a joint exercise on the Belarus southern border. UK is deploying back to Germany. They're taking a brigade-sized force, which will include about 250 vehicles, and will include more main battle tanks. And this is to counter Russia's buildup near Ukraine. U.S. deployed 30 Paladin self-propelled howitzers on the border near Russia and Belarus. They have a range of about 13 miles on the artillery shells and 18 miles if they use a rocketed assist shell. Sudan is accusing Ethiopia of a military attack on its forces on the border, killing 6 of their soldiers. Ethiopia denied it and said it was the rebels that they are fighting that caused the problem. United Arab Emirates, between September and November, have done over 90 flights into Ethiopia with bringing in military aid, equipment, and supplies for the Ethiopians fighting the rebels there. And finally, the U.S. debt clock is getting very close to 29 trillion. Maybe the end of tomorrow or the next day, it will go over. I will put a link in the description so you could actually watch it turn $29 trillion. Plan accordingly.